The first reading is from the book of Jeremiah, chapter 26, verses 1 to 9. Soon after Jehoiakim, son of Josiah, became king of Judah, the Lord said to me, stand in the court of the temple and proclaim all I have commanded you to say to the people who come from the towns of Judah to worship there. Do not leave out anything. Perhaps the people will listen and give up their evil ways. If they do, then I will change my mind about the destruction I plan to bring on them for all their wicked deeds. The Lord told me to say to the people, I, the Lord, have said that you must obey me by following the teachings that I gave you and by paying attention to the words of my servants, the prophets, whom I have kept on sending to you. You have never obeyed what they say. If you continue to disobey, then I will do to this temple what I did to Shiloh, and all the nations of the world will use the name of this city as a curse. The priests, the prophets, and all the people heard me saying these things in the temple, and as soon as I had finished all that the Lord had commanded me to speak, they grabbed me and shouted, you ought to be killed for this. Why have you said in the Lord's name that this temple will become like Shiloh, and the city will be destroyed, and no one will live in it? Then the people crowded around me. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Responsorial Psalms is from Psalm chapter 69. Don't let me bring shame on those who trust in you, Sovereign Lord Almighty. Don't let me bring disgrace to those who worship you, O God of Israel. I am like a stranger to my relatives, like a foreigner to my family. My devotion to your temple burns in me like a fire. The insults which are hurled at you fall on me. I humble myself by fasting, and people insult me. Save me from sinking in the mud. Keep me safe from my enemies, safe from the deep water. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Matthew, chapter 13, verses 54 to 58. When Jesus finished telling these parables, he left that place and went back to his hometown. He taught in the synagogue, and those who heard him were amazed. Where did he get such wisdom? They asked. And what about his miracles? Isn't he the carpenter's son? Isn't Mary his mother? And aren't James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas his brothers? Aren't all his sisters living here? Where did he get all this? And so they rejected him. Jesus said to them, a prophet is respected everywhere except in his hometown and by his own family. Because they did not have faith, he did not perform many miracles there. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, O Lord Jesus Christ.